The atomic bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Detailed overview. Background context. By mid-1945, World War II was nearing its end, but Japan showed no signs of unconditional surrender. The Allied forces sought a way to force Japan's capitulation without a costly invasion. Manhattan Project. The US initiated the Manhattan Project, a secret research program aimed at developing nuclear weapons. Key scientists included J. Robert Oppenheimer and Enrico Fermi. Hiroshima date, August 6, 1945. Bomb, Little Boy, a uranium-based bomb. Target, Hiroshima, a city with significant military and industrial value. Immediate impact, the bomb exploded with an energy equivalent to approximately 15 kilotons of TNT. Casualties, an estimated 70,000 to 140,000 people died instantly or within months from injuries and radiation exposure. Many buildings were destroyed or severely damaged. Aftermath, survivors, known as hibakusha, faced long-term health issues, including cancer and psychological trauma. The city was left in ruins, and recovery took years. Nagasaki date, August 9, 1945. Bomb, Fat Man, a plutonium-based bomb. Target, Nagasaki, initially a secondary target. The primary target, Kakura, was obscured by clouds. Immediate impact, the bomb exploded with an energy equivalent to about 21 kilotons of TNT. Casualties, estimated deaths ranged from 40,000 to 70,000 in the immediate aftermath, with additional deaths in subsequent months from radiation exposure. Aftermath, like Hiroshima, Nagasaki faced significant destruction, and survivors dealt with long-term health complications. Reasons for the bombings end the war. The primary rationale was to prompt Japan's unconditional surrender and avoid the high casualties expected from a land invasion, Operation Downfall. Demonstration of power. The bombings also served to demonstrate US military might, particularly to the Soviet Union, influencing post-war geopolitics. Ethical and moral considerations. Debate. The bombings sparked significant debate regarding their morality and necessity. Critics argue they were inhumane and caused unnecessary suffering, while supporters contend they saved lives by hastening the end of the war. Nuclear proliferation. The bombings initiated discussions about nuclear weapons ethics, leading to arms control efforts and treaties in the subsequent Cold War era. Legacy nuclear weapons policy. The bombings marked the beginning of the nuclear age, with nations racing to develop their arsenals. Commemoration. Hiroshima and Nagasaki are now sites of remembrance, advocating for peace and nuclear disarmament. Annual memorial ceremonies honor the victims and promote awareness of the consequences of nuclear warfare. Cultural impact. The events have influenced literature, film, and art, serving as powerful reminders of the war's devastation and the importance of diplomacy. Conclusion. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki were pivotal moments in history, shaping the outcome of World War II and altering global politics. They raised fundamental questions about warfare, ethics, and humanity's future in an era of nuclear weapons. The legacy of these events continues to resonate, reminding us of the potential consequences of conflict and the need for peaceful resolution.